microphone's on, everything's on.
Yep.
Okay. It should be live in like a few seconds time. And we're live.
Oh, there's a delay,
yeah. Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome to the stream. So we have Georgie here. Georgie, you want to say a little bit about what you do and stuff that you do?
Yeah, I just do mostly IT stuff.
Like this.
System admin.
Yeah.
System admin stuff, yeah.
Okay.
I think that's all you need to know for now.
Yeah, basically, that's all you need to know on a need to know basis. Okay. So, I have to show you guys the repository. So, most of my codes are being developed inside Visual Studio.
Visual Studio, okay. Wait, sorry. Can you give a brief explanation about
Nexus. So basically what Nexus does is like a digital identification verification for yourself. So you,
Okay.
what we'll do with the system, we'll create a digital wallet and also a digital identity for you. So whenever you are going online and stuff like that, you want to verify yourself digitally, that's your digital identification system. So we'll be creating digital wallets for individuals that join Nexus, and then they will be controlling their own data from their digital wallet. So everything is not centralized within the database, everything is decentralized. So you have full control of your own digital, whatever you do, your digital
data.
footprint, your digital data.
Okay.
So this is what we are heading towards with Nexus Digital Systems. So this is our repository. So most of our codes are being done with Golang. So these are the Go files. And we have the CSS and JavaScript here. So I'm using React to do most of the JavaScripting and CSS. Okay. Let's have a look at.
And the Go.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
The Go is.
So you said Go programming language, yeah.
Yeah, Go programming language. Golang.
Okay. Golang. I actually heard of it, but I've actually never touched it yet. So.
Honestly, I've never done anything with Golang until this year when I started working with this project. I went into Google and then I searched for a good programming language that I could use on my backend, and that was the recommended one that's like at the top 5.
Okay.
So I went with that, and then yeah, it's a learning curve for myself as well.
Okay. But I mean, as long as you as long as you already know the theory, should be easy to just
so
get on with it. Yeah. Anyway, continue.
Let's get into our working directory. So that's where our Golang is. Oh, missing a full stop. So that's our front end. So Golang is mostly for the backend, security, authentication, and everything to do with the backend is being controlled by Golang. And then the front end is done with React. Okay, so let's run our application. So later, when the system is ready to go live, I'll create a script to do this from behind. So it's like running from behind to run all of this. So right now, with the development phase that I'm going through, I'm just doing it manually here. So I have 2 command window open. So I have to run both of them separately. So that's the backend.
Okay.
So it's running now. So I'm running the front end. Okay, they are running now. So that's the address that I use locally. So that's the interface.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Where is the other
Login,
one?
okay.
So I have two.
Oh, so is it sorry, is it like got database? Sorry.
Yeah, it does have a database. Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, I forgot to show you guys the database. Let me
yes,
just
okay.
quickly PostgreSQL.
Okay, so there's a database, and
Database.
then you use the Go programming for some
for backend,
like interactions.
Yeah, interaction front end and back end.
JRect and JRect for some of the interface or something. Huh?
Yep.
Okay. Cool.
So we just wait for.
Okay.
Yeah. Whenever the database starts up, we'll come back to that. So I'll log in.
Okay.
I created 2 users, so. Oh. That's the client one, and then sorry, that's the registrar, and that's the admin. So in the desktop,
okay.
In the future, I'll customize the desktop, and then we should have like a filter. So for example, when the government want to check how many people are in what province or districts or wards or LLGs, for them to do service delivery, like providing medical supplies for the hospital, they could just do the filter here and then know the exact number of people in a particular province or state, maybe in the country, to get medical supplies and stuff like that.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay.
I never realized, but every time I watch my stream, I always say stuff like that. So you'll be hearing a lot of stuff like that.
Stuff like that. Yeah. Okay. No worries.
Okay. Yeah. So that's the dashboard. The register citizen is for you to register a new citizen. We'll come to that. We just go through the interface first. So that's the registrar. So I'll just go into the management. So you can see the profile. This account is the registrar account. This one is the administrator account. So we just go through the management. Citizen management is for you to view and edit citizens. We'll come to that later. Oh, and our database has just loaded. This guy. So that's our database. I'll just give you guys a quick sneak peek. So database, not many tables. Most of the sorting in the table is being done by the back end and the front end. So it's just I made the database so simple. Oh, so I'm just trying to collapse all the tables in, so yeah.
Tables,
yeah.
Oh yeah.
So these are the tables. That's our database. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Approximately 10, 12 tables within the database itself. But most of the stuff that we would be breaking up the tables to create other little tables. For example, like locations. So I have only 1 table for location, which we could save country, continent, country, province, state, everything into into that. Speaking of which, I have to delete something in here before.
One of the tables. Oh.
No, I have to delete something. Yeah, in the table. Where is that view edit data? Yeah, I just added something in. Oh, come on. It's currently using it, so never mind. I'll leave it. So there's a bug in my system which we'll come to that very soon. There's a lot of bugs. It's still a working development. So right now it's on version 0.4.0. So after this demonstration, it will be on 0.4.1. So we'll be doing a backup as well. So
okay.
Yeah. Okay. What are we trying to do? Okay, citizen management is for you to manage citizen. Location management is for you to manage location. So that's the bug that I was talking about. I have to fix this later, but yeah. So you have continent, country, province, district, and then you should have ward underneath that. So we'll come to that too as well. And then we have the search bar. I haven't added a code for that yet, so it's just there for aesthetic.
Okay.
And then the help button.
Okay.
Very soon I'll add an AI in there, so you could ask the AI stuff, like an AI chatbot in there.
Okay. Yeah.
So that's the little stuff about the system itself. And then I have all the change logs in here. So every time I do a backup, it updates the change log as well. So everything goes down here. Okay, back to the dashboard. Okay, first things first. We'll register a citizen. So this is the registrar. So we try to search for John. So it says there's someone by the name of John already inside. So in here, I only have one registered citizen by the name of John. That's the only registered citizen in there. So yeah. So when before you register, to avoid you creating duplicates within the system, we added this. So when you do a search first, so you can do a search for first name, second name, and then if there's a duplicate in there, you could request an edit. If there's no duplicate, then you just go directly to, wait, if I search for George.
Okay.
So there's no George in here, so you could just go straight to create a new citizen. So if you, let's create a citizen first. Okay, surname. Whom do we create?
Just create a fake one, so.
Yeah, give me a name from top of your head.
Let me see.
Not that's.
Wait. Jane Doe. Jane. Surname Doe. DOE.
Okay, I'll just put Joe. Joe Doe. Joe Doe.
No, maybe you put him. Try Jane Doe.
Oh, you want a lady's name?
Surname Doe. Yes.
Okay. Maybe I just put.
Surname DOE.
Jenny Doe then.
DOE. You put it wrong fields. First one is the
surname.
That's what I'm saying, Doe. And then Jane.
It's okay, I just put.
Or Jenny Doe, okay.
Okay, 1st of January. I'm all millennia pequenini number. Gender, male, female. I'll remove other later. Just for the heck of it, I just left other there. We don't need a lot of gender, okay? Just for the record. I'll remove other later.
Yeah, because there's only 2. Oh no, we might get cancelled.
Well, we are okay with that, but on paper we are not. Okay, so place of birth, so you could choose any place. I still have to limit that down to the ward, or maybe down to towns. So anything above that, for example, location hierarchy like province and country, and anything above. Above district, or maybe even district too. Anything above town would not be in this list. But for now, I do not have a lot of places registered there. So Anyways, so
in the drop down,
So if you do have a place there that you have already registered and you want to add as a bed of location, a bed place for the registered person, you could just select down here. But if it doesn't exist here, you could go down here to create one. So it goes with the location management as well. So before we click on that, I'm gonna just show you guys a quick one here. So say we want to create a continent, okay, Asian continent. So Asian continent doesn't have any parent location because it's at the top of the hierarchy. We could just go add location, and then we have Asian underneath there. So if you want to add, say, okay, Japan. Select country. So those are the optional fields that I have hidden. So that's why we have only one location table inside the database here. So all of the locations are stored inside that location. So we do have all of those inside there. So if we're trying to register a province, it shows the flag URL only. For state, it's the same. District, you have the zip code as well. So all of these columns are inside the table. But when you're trying to register, it doesn't show all of them as well for you to register for the others, because for a country, it doesn't necessarily need to have a zip code, and for a district, that it doesn't necessarily have to have a flag. So yeah, that's why I listed them down as optional fields. So whenever you select the appropriate location type, the optional field shows as well. So for example, country, it shows the ISO code and the flag URL. So you add them under the parent location, easier. And then, I don't know, is it JPY? JPN? Or JAP?
What is it?
Japan's ISO
code.
Yeah.
Japan. Maybe JPN, I think. JPN.
Shortcut.
Let me confirm it. Let me just quickly Google here. ISO Japan. JPN.
Hey. Okay. And then we could just add it in there, and then flags URL. So in my repository folder, where is it? Assets folder. So this is where I'll be putting all the flags. So whenever when creating a location, I'll add the flags in here, and then I could just reference it here. So this one is already in the SRC folder. Is it this one? So it's already here, up to here. So we'll just have to input this one plus the flag. Or if it's in another subfolder, we'll have to like enter it here, and then the subfolder name, and then the name of the flag file. Okay, let's just add this one in. So once we added it in, it goes under Asia, and then it goes on like that. So if we are trying to add, we do not have central province.
Central, okay.
Oh, sorry, we do not put province because it's a province.
We'll select it.
Yeah, so it's in Papua New Guinea. I'll add the flags later. I think it should be
Central province, yeah.
I don't know if that's correct or not. I'll confirm later. So under Papua New Guinea, we should have central, and then we have Port Moresby as the capital.
It's like, so when you create a user now, you can select those location. Oh yeah, okay,
Yep,
I get it. Yeah.
So we will come to that later. So I'm just demonstrating the parent register. The location management, location registration form. So Port Moresby is a district under Central Province. I don't know what's the Port Moresby. Is it 114?
Yeah.
115?
111.
111. If I'm wrong, guys, let me know in the chat below. It's George's fault.
I think Port Moresby is under NCD.
Okay.
We'd be
no. NCD is different. Wait.
Okay.
Well, let me just quickly search. Oh, wait.
So this is like kind of some backend administrator
Yeah,
setting up the system now.
Yep.
He creates locations first and then creates users and assigns them. Select the location.
Yep.
Set it there. Okay.
So for the smaller, wait, where is that? For the word, I will add communities in. So for the communities, I'll leave it for the registrar to register the communities. I'll give access to the registrar. Where is that? Okay, add location. Okay, so it goes underneath here, and then you could add something else underneath what must be. But anyways, okay, we come back here to citizen registration. So if we see here and then the location that we wanted, you can also like just type it. Oh, wait, we'll have to refresh this page for you to gather the data from the database again. But anyways, if it doesn't exist there, we could just create it by clicking the plus button down here.
Yep.
And then what are we trying to create? There's no capital district.
Yeah.
And then it's a province, right?
Wait it. Let's see it again. Location type. Yeah, no. I mean, it's confirmed on my Google search first time.
And then I think it's Waigani. Oh, honestly, I have no idea what's going on in Port Moresby.
According to Wikipedia, the National Capital District of Papua New Guinea is a district surrounded by Central Province. That's according to Wikipedia.
So
yeah,
it should be registered as National Capital District, right?
Yeah, I think location type you can say district.
It's a district. It's not a province.
Yeah, I think so. Huh?
It's a province.
Yeah.
It's the 22nd province. Or 21st. LI is, 20th province is NCD. 21st is Ella, I think. And then 22nd is Ziwaka.
Okay.
So I'll just refresh this real quick. Hopefully our newly created, oh, it wouldn't be in here. Oh, it's here. National Capital District. If you refresh this page, we could also see it in here, but
at the bottom. It's already there.
Okay, it's here. And then we could go and add, what's the capital? Waigani? Capital of NCD.
Let me confirm here.
I think Waigani is the capital of Port Moresby, right?
Capital. I think Port Moresby.
No. It can't be. Yeah,
I think it is.
Moresby North and Moresby East comes under Central Province, so I don't think it's Port Moresby.
Yeah.
Waigani, yeah.
Oh, you trying to say? Okay, just say Waigani. Just say Waigani. Waigani.
NCD is the district, province. Sorry. Sorry, the screens at the back are talking to me. The screens that you guys see around here.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Okay, it's a district. Okay, we just put it as a district. Is that how you spell Waigani?
Yes, yeah.
Is this how you spell Magani? How did they come up with the name Waigani in the first place? Okay, never mind. We're getting sidetracked. Okay, yeah. And then we go create. We don't need to add anything here. I'll just go and edit later. So we're just demonstrating. And then, okay, let's select Waigani, the one that we just created, and then we go to the next one. So I have put down the citizen registration into different form pages. How do you call that? Like progressive pages? So yeah. So with
Steps.
your
Steps, I
steps,
think.
yeah. So residential location, you could select. Probably is
Oh,
currently
progress,
living in.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's a progress bar.
Mhm.
It's like a progress bar. Okay. Anyway, sorry,
So
continue,
yeah.
continue.
So that's your residential location, and then you say section and lot and like wherever you are living right now. Section 1, lot 1, and then I don't know. Where is that? What must be? And then you have your postal address. You could just, bruh, what just happened? Sorry, spacebar blow me and won't blow. Stuck or something. Thank you, Fortnite. What must boo? CP, PG. Okay, next. So I haven't done any coding for that, so this is just a simulation of how you would be capturing the photo and the fingerprint. So I'll do the photo capture later. Fingerprint, maybe I'll try to interface with the phone to do the Bluetooth, the fingerprint capture, or I'll find a Bluetooth,
Okay. Oh, yeah.
a fingerprint device itself, USB fingerprint,
Yep,
whatever.
yeah.
So yeah, so for now you just go capture photo and then capture fingerprint. It's just a simulation. And then
Oh,
we
yeah,
have
yeah.
the family links. So mother, we haven't registered any female in there, so father, or maybe we just say spouse, Joe John. So that's the spouse. So that's the search bar. You just search and then you could click on it. And then we go next. And then that's where you review the details you have entered.
Okay.
So once
Yep.
you are satisfied with it, you just click on submit registration, and voila, the citizen is registered.
Okay.
So we had one citizen registered, so now it's 2 citizens. So I'll work on a code to have the registered citizens up here, so you could see the total number of citizens being registered. So if we are going to do a whole country rollout, you just sit there, and then we should probably just put this system on live stream as an admin, and then everyone would see the numbers like going up.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
So yeah. And now we have 2, so you could just go view citizen. Let's search. So yeah, the view citizen, I'm still working on that. We'll get to that later. So
Yep.
Jenny, search. So that's our Jenny down there. Could go in and view and edit. So I haven't added anything to that button as yet. So that comes with the
Okay.
edit citizen functionality as well, which is a long bunch of code which I'm still working on. So
Oh,
yeah.
cool.
Okay, to edit, let's go here, search. So when you search, you find a duplicate here. When you want to edit that data, that citizen, you go to request edit, and then you put in your details like so citizen just married, they wanted to change last name, submit the request. Okay, we wait. So when you submit the request, it goes through the database to check for all the administrators. So once it finds all the administrators, it puts a notification into their account. So this account is an administrator, so it picks it up as an administrator and then it sends the notification over. And then we could see the request here. So most of all the requests are put underneath admin queue here. So once we click here, we go into the admin queue as well. So that's the admin queue, and that's the citizen that was requested to be edited. So I haven't added the attachment yet, so we'll do that later in the next phase of the development. So for example, when you're trying to change your second name, you'll have to have a statutory declaration to declare that you are changing the second name to another name. So yeah, so you have the attachment there, so it's like a legal proof that you are changing your name. So yeah, let's just say we approve.
So sorry, that one is like Jenny logged into the system and then she sent a request.
No, that's the registrar.
Okay.
That's from the registrar. So we haven't worked on the citizens login yet. So when
but eventually they
so when we come to the digital wallet part, that's when we set up the citizen login. So they log into their own digital wallet. So it's like WhatsApp. So it's a secure type of wallet for themselves. Even we cannot see what's in their wallet. Only they can see that. Okay. Approve.
Cool.
And then we go approve here. And then we get the notification that it's been approved. Click on OK. Get this back here. We wait for this guy to get the notification that it has been approved. Okay. So that's the notification. So it says our edit request, our edit request has been approved. We click on that and then we go into the edit citizen. So I haven't added a lot of functionalities here yet, so I'm slowly adding each element in. So we already added the spouse name in here, so it doesn't link so the spouse name here. So if we have another citizen, we could just add the further link here, then we go to save changes. So I still have some bug here as well, so yeah, it keeps giving that. I'm still working on that. So yeah, so that's the citizen edit functionality. Yeah, and then we have the admin queue, user management. So let's go to user management. We'll come to system backup later. So yeah, I've logged system backup from there, so I'll also log all the other ones from registrar to access. So when you when the registrar logged in, they can only see the dashboard and this one, not this control. This will be hidden from them. So for now, I just logged this one from the registrar. So I'll show you guys my backup script. Should be no. Should be in front end. Public. Oh, sorry. Should be in back end. So that's our change log. Where is that? Yeah. So that's our backup script. So mostly it just goes and gets all the. I'm more concerned with currently now that I'm developing. I'm more concerned about my source code. So whenever I do something and the system is running properly, I do the backup. So most of the source codes are being backed up. So yeah, it goes into this folder and saves them as a zip file. Also, it also extracts the database as well, and then it saves them here. So that's what the script does. I'm trying to add the Github as well, Github functionality in here as well. So I'm still working on that. So it will dump all the source codes onto my GitHub as well. So I can have them shared for other developers out there to assist if I'm stuck on anything. So yeah. Okay, with the user management, we don't need this. Oh no, just leave it here. Go to dashboard. Okay, with the user management, I'll just make this a bit bigger. Okay, so here is where we create users.
Okay.
And then 1 2 3 4 5, say that's the reporting user, create user. So when you create the user, it comes in here. So here we could go and edit the user. So we say Joel if we misspelled it.
Oh yeah, okay.
And then you change the name, or we could also delete from here. And then all the users are saved within the SQL database user table. So that's just for the users for the system. So I haven't added the citizens in as well. So when we start doing the digital wallet, we'll include the citizens in as well. So okay, here is where we control the login. So if we are trying to get this guy, the registrar, to force logout, just go here, click on force logout, and then just wait for it. So this guy is okay, and then we get that your session is yeah. So usually when you log in, you receive a token. So the token is valid for say a few hours, 12 hours. So the token is used. You can stay log in for that long, and then if the token is expired, you'll have to log out and then log in again to get a new token. So when we force logout here, we made the token become expire. So the registrar, whoever the person that we logged out, has to go in and log in again to get a new token, a valid token. Okay. What else do I need to show you guys? Oh, the system backup. Okay. Now let's go to the fun part. So that's the system backup. So we are currently on version 0.4.0. So now it's 0.4.1. So I'll just put live demonstration, trial run. Oh, the recent changes that I added today would be the okay,
change log, yeah.
yep. So this one goes into the change log. So we go start system backup. Oh no, I haven't added that into the script, so I'll just quickly, where is my change log? Should be in, oh sorry, public. So I'll just add that up here. Version and save that in. Okay. So once we did that, we just go click on start the backup. So it's currently running, so we cannot see anything here. I haven't added anything here. So from the backend you could see from here. So it's logging out the user, cancelling, stopping all the get and post requests to the database. So it would be backing up the database as well. So we'll have to check our C drive. Where is it? Nexus backup. So it should, yeah, it's creating this file. So all of the files are being sent into this
Nuclear folder. Okay.
Yeah.
So when you launch it again, it should show the updated version and the pop-up changelog.
Yeah. And
yep. Okay.
where is it? Okay, let's try to log it again. Okay, it still hasn't completed yet. It hasn't started up. Yeah,
okay.
it hasn't started up the back end and the front end yet. Just wait for it. Give it a few seconds. Okay. Who is that? Oh, okay, we are logged in. So after the backup, it logs us back in automatically. And then we see our version updated to 0.4.1. And then our version down there also updated to 0.4.1. And our version here as well updated to 0.4.1. So that's from the script, the batch script. Yeah, the batch script checks the files and then it goes to that exact line that has version on it, and then it changes the number on that. So yeah. And the logout, yeah, we already did the logout. Yeah, basically it. So later when this thing goes live, you could connect with us from these links down here. So that's the Nexus Digital Systems channel. So we have 11 followers. Hey. So that's our that's our channel. That's our community, the technology trends community. And then our LinkedIn. I'm probably logged on. And then our YouTube. Yeah. And oh, this thing is still loading. Oh, Facebook. Yep. We haven't added a Facebook link yet. So when we do Instagram, not yet. And GitHub, I'll add that in soon. Okay. You were saying?
No. No, I was gonna check. Is there a separate YouTube channel, or it's just your same?
Oh,
same one,
yeah, that's the same one for now. I'll create a separate YouTube channel shortly, very soon. Stay tuned. So yeah, those are the quick links. Yeah, I think that's basically my progress so far. So what do you think?
Yeah, great stuff. Good stuff.
That's it.
So it's like, everything from the ground up code.
Yeah, everything is.
You did all those like notifications.
Yeah, most of the.
And that's like how long did it? Some months or.
No, the whole idea came when we finished from Unitech. So I was working on it. The machine crashed. I started again. The good thing was I keep backing up my database until most recently I had to come up with this new structure of the database, the very simple one, and then I went straight for it. So that's a simplified version of the database that I was working on for the last how many years that we finished from Unitech.
So like almost a decade.
Yeah. So yeah. For this code is mostly this year, all of these ones. These ones are just created by GitHub when I install GitHub, so it's nothing. So all of these ones are just code. Yeah, hard coding. Sleepless nights.
Yeah. me, I think I stopped actually programming some 5 or 8 years ago. So.
Sure.
I just do mostly drag and drop these days. So.
Damn
So
you.
the first time I saw the interface, first time I saw that interface and I thought it was WordPress.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, okay.
Yeah. That's one
Yeah.
good thing about React.js. It's so awesome. When I first did the login page, I was so excited. Like, oh, okay. After the login page, I just kept going. So yeah, I had all of the
Okay.
JS
Yeah.
files underneath Nexus.frontend. So the sorting out of the files, I searched on Google, and that's the standard way of sorting out the files. So these are the backend files inside Nexus API and the frontend file inside Nexus frontend. And then we have the components
Yeah.
inside the components folder, the assets underneath the assets folder, and then the pages. So all of these ones, like when we are moving from page to page, all of these pages are inside the pages folder. And then we have the two main JavaScript for the whole application itself, and the layout. So the layout just keeps everything in place. So when we go to pages, everything is just embedded within the layout itself. So the layout keeps the header and the footer. The pages is only the middle. Even the taskbar is kept by the layout.jsx, and CSS, mostly CSS.
Yep. Okay. Great stuff.
Thanks.
Good stuff. Yeah, no, we need to have one more session with all other developers, and then we'll get some more valuable input.
Yeah.
Me personally, because I haven't touched the Go programming, so still.
It's okay. Most of the things that I'm doing on Go programming, I'm getting help from Google Gemini. So yeah. So when when I'm stuck with the coding, I just get the coding, I put it into Gemini, and can you fix that coding for me? I'm getting this error. And then it gives me a proper one. I put it in, and then I edit it and work with it.
Later on, edit it a bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, Gemini is a really big help for me doing this thing. Okay. You have any questions? Anything that you wanna ask about the system? Speaking from a layman's perspective.
So this one is like you're aiming. So you're aiming. This one is like more like for national identification.
Yeah.
You want to use it as like it's gonna be the main. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. National identification. But I'm not really aiming for Papua New Guinea. I'm aiming for a global audience.
Okay.
So I'm trying to be like a platform where everybody creates the digital identification and their digital wallet to control their digital data, everything digital. So yeah.
Okay.
There's a lot of phases in this development. So right now I'm working with the digital identification and digital wallet. So when people start getting into that system, I'll look for devices and then program devices for doing the badging for the digital IDs. So whenever you go to a new recruitment, you go to an HR company, and then instead of filling out the new employment form, or like how many dependents you have and stuff like that, you just have to go and badge your card, and then we'll have a little script in there, and then it will read the details from the card to verify your identity, and then what details you need to share with the employer, and then it will get only those details and then share it with the employer. So we'll have like a pre-filled form type of thing. So whenever you go to the HR and they have the new employment form, or even you want to go create a bank account, the new bank account form, all of this will be automated, are digitalized within the system. So whenever you just badge your card, all your forms will be filled automatically.
Okay.
And then you just have to sign.
Okay.
So we'll get rid of forms and then get rid of queues. So yeah.
Yes.
So that's like the third phase of this development. So right now we are looking at the digital identity, and digital wallet is the phase 2. So yeah, it goes with medical, police record, everything, even your passport, and then slowly we'll work towards getting into the banks and financial institutions. So when we go there, you could just use your digital ID to make a purchase instead of using your bank card.
Okay. So that it will be like on your phone or something, yeah?
Yeah, you could just have it on your phone, like a phone app, or you just go tap with your phone.
And tap your NFC or something.
Yeah, NFC, yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's good.
Yeah, it's huge, so yeah. When we get to that stage, we will need a lot of developers, so probably I'll be in Hawaii sipping some margarita or something. And then I'll let you guys do the coding and stuff.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, great stuff.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, we probably make another session, invite more people.
Yes.
To see, I think you need some good critics like, I don't know, Jeremy or
yeah, I need Jeremy
or Benji.
Yeah. These guys are not.
Works on these types of systems.
I haven't sent an invite to them. I thought I was doing this like a solo type of live stream, but yeah.
Ooh.
Hey,
you should you got
shout out to George. Thank you, George, for joining in.
Oh yes. No worries.
So yeah.
Yeah.
If you guys do have any questions about the system, just let me know in the comments below, or I'll leave a link to our WhatsApp channel and our WhatsApp group, so you could just join in. And then we'll send a link of our Discord channel as well for you to join in, and then we could have conversations about this development going forward. So yeah, if you're watching this, you're awesome. Make sure to like and subscribe. Judge, we're ending the stream now.
Okay guys, we'll see you on the other side or next round or next stream or something.
Yeah. Okay. If you're watching this, you're awesome. Okay. Cage.